are looking to start a simple automated cleaning business, in this video I'm going to give you a few free, absolutely free ways that you can land your first 1, 2, or possibly even 3 clients. And I'll bet you, I guarantee you actually, you haven't heard of at least 2 of these. All right, so let's do it. What's up, what's up? My name is Mike Mak, founder of AutomatedCleaningBusiness.com, back with another video. And today we're covering getting clients, right? Because without clients, do we actually have a business? No. We're in the office cleaning game, right? So when we bring on office contracts, we want to keep them for months and months and years to come. Now, to get the A-list type of clients, it's going to take some work. So I'm not teaching you that in this video, but I will teach you how to get recurring clients paying you month after month after month for cleaning services. And again, you don't have to clean, but how do you get these clients? I mean, where are they? I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So this is definitely one you're going to want a pen and paper about. This is super actionable, super to the point, and we are jumping in right now. Okay, this one you may have heard of, but it's social media outreach plus group posting. Now, before you fast forward, there is a right way and a wrong way to do this, because this information may not be new, but the approach definitely is, because when I see it done, I cringe. And guess what? I'm not alone in that. Most people's potential clients do the exact same thing when people are just over the top. So what you have to do is you have to not be spammy, okay? You can't be spammy about it. You can't be me. You have to be a genuine person. Don't put your business as the focal point. Let's say you're going to use Facebook groups and you're going to reach out to Facebook. You have to first understand what kind of platform you're on, because Facebook is one of those platforms where everyone is just there for family, dog photos, and maybe some fire memes, right? But if you're there pitching cleaning services, you are going to turn people off to the idea of working with you. So instead, you have to be a real person. That's the best way to get that done. And let's say you're in a local business group for your area, right? It's very important because you're looking for offices. So you want to be in a business group and you want it to be local. So it's local cities, towns, etc. Go into those groups and actually try to meet people. Don't be quick to say, look at me, like I own a cleaning service. Can I clean your offices? Because that is not gonna work, all right? So be genuine, start up real conversations, and then guess what? Then you can make your ask. But first, think about ways that you could actually bring them value. Maybe someone's looking for a good chiropractor and you can almost put them in touch with, maybe you have a good chiropractor or a good massage therapist, etc. Things like that. These are small ways where we can actually deliver value for people who aren't even our clients yet, and it's going to get them thinking about you in a different light. And then ultimately, when you finally make that ask to take over the cleaning services, guess what? It's met very friendly, all right? So if you're gonna do it right, be friendly, be a real human being, and that will make the social media outreach actually work. Let's get to the next one. Okay, here's another method. This is something I used in the very beginning, and it's super slick because I don't see people talking about it. This is the same thing, right? See, we're putting the value up front, getting people to see that they don't even have to pay us and they're gonna get value from us. So what you could do is offer a free clean to a small office in exchange for a testimonial. Once you get that testimonial, then what you're gonna wanna do is, because you delivered a great clean, the testimonial is gonna be over the top positive, at least it should be. Then when you get that great over the top testimonial, all you have to do is say, wow, Dr. Dave, I'm so happy you're so excited about it. I originally wasn't gonna ask, but since you are so happy, I mean, would you like us to give a proposal for the space? Because we can bring this consistently for you for years and years to come. And now what's the doctor gonna do? Well, he's in a spot where he wants to reciprocate. You give incredible value, and now it's like, wait a minute, you know what? I am very happy. This was very good. It was free. It was easy. It was effortless. Yeah, you can give me that bid. Bam, check. That's another client. Guys, another reason why that's powerful isn't that it's not the free labor in it. It's that you have to prove you're actually good at something before you can charge. If you've just started, you don't know anything about anything, and you want to go the free way, you're gonna have to prove that you actually have skill. See, for me, back when I first started my program where I teach people how to build their own cleaning companies, my first several students were for free. I didn't charge them anything because I wanted to prove that what I talk about, what I do is real, it works, it's tangible. See, once I proved that I was able to get people great results, that's when I became able to charge my services. So there's no difference. I did it for cleaning and then I did it for coaching. So if you're starting out, it's a great method. Let's get to the next one. All right, the next one is, who do you know? Now, again, you don't have to know someone directly that owns an office, but it may surprise you that you may know people that know people that know people that would be willing to give you a warm intro, meaning, hey Josh, meet Dan. Hey Dan, meet Josh. Josh owns a cleaning service and Josh is a great person. You should give him a look, so to speak. See guys, right there, why does that even work? Because people like working with people that they know, like, and trust. Now, they may not know, like, and trust you yet, but if someone they know, like, and trust puts you guys in contact, you're not know, like, and trust, but you're not stranger either. You're kind of like in the middle. So you have a good conversation right there. That's when you go in for the kill and ask for a walkthrough. Give a good walkthrough like a pro. Put a great proposal together and then hook them in, and then you have another client. Now, I just gave you 3 real ways to land actual clients for free. So now at this point, you're probably thinking, okay, cool, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna start getting clients, but I don't wanna get stuck doing the cleaning. How do I automate? How do I make sure this is never a thing? Because you always say you gotta automate in the beginning. That is true. And if you wanna automate in the beginning, you're gonna wanna watch this video right now. For everyone else, peace.